my Phuket.
I have to look there.
When it's made with love, it should be like
Mini fan meeting, I guess. My name is Sai.
Nice to meet you. Hi guys.
I'm really hungry, so we're gonna go find something to eat.
Me too.
You're hungry?
หิวมาก
หิวมาก Oh, you speak Thai ใช่ไหม
พูดนิดหน่อย
นิดหน่อย
นิดหน่อยครับ
โอเคไปกินข้าว
You're Thai
I am
but you
But
live in England.
nothing much. What should we try? What food should we try? Have you tried papaya salad before?
Yeah, spicy.
You don't eat spicy?
No, I can't.
He doesn't eat spicy either.
You don't eat spicy. You don't eat.
He doesn't eat.
I can't eat spicy.
Should we try this? I don't know.
Oh no way. No, I'm a big no for that.
Okay, so this video is gonna be just like a vlog.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's bad.
It's raw.
Oh no, that's bad.
Yeah,
no.
stop moving.
Screw that.
We're not gonna try weird
This is
food.
good. Like
Yeah, หมูปิ้งกินไหม
Really good. Yeah.
Let's have หมูปิ้งเอาหมู2แล้วก็ไก่2 Why is it so windy today? สแกนจ่ายนะคะเท่าไหร่คะ I was gonna try weird food but none of us are brave enough so we're just gonna do a normal vlog. You can try. I'm also scared.
I tried one thing and here it's like squid. ไม่แย่นะ
หรอ
โอเคอยู่
Is it gonna rain? เท่าไหร่นะคะ60นี่ค่ะ They're like talking.
Very well.
So good. I'm gonna show you a little bit of, not a little bit, as much as I can at Jodd Fair because Jodd Fair is the main, it's the main show for this video. Yes. I'm so hungry. I've not had anything to eat. It's so loud, but I think the audio is gonna be fine. Why
What's
is
the
it
red one that you have?
Is it tomato?
chicken? Tomato? No. This one, yes, chicken. So hard to film. So many people.
Say tomato or tomato?
Tomatoes.
British.
Tomato.
Tomato, American.
Tomato. Tomato.
She's different. Say again.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Actually, it's quite similar to Dutch almost.
Yeah?
In Thai, tomato.
Guy.
Guy. Alright, I'll try this one. It'll
Okay.
be different. Oh wow.
It's good, right?
That's hit the spot. That's
So British.
It's still so funny thing is like when she walked past by, she tripped.
It was so awkward.
It was awkward. Yeah. You're Amy.
I keep looking at here. I'm not supposed to look there. I'm supposed to look at
I look, yeah, but I look
I'm not used to this.
Sundays ago actually.
Thank you.
You want to try
One
this
more.
one or?
Yeah, go on. I dropped a dumbbell on my finger. Now it's just turned purple.
Oh my god.
A dumbbell. It's like
Hey,
a
hey,
weight
Imma.
at the gym. When you do weights.
How much pounds?
25 kg. But
That's heavy.
it'll be okay. A couple of days.
I dropped it once on my toe. And it looked like that, but then like black.
It's probably worse. Probably easy to break your toe than break your finger.
It hurts. It hurts.
This is different. Prefer that one.
Oh really?
Like a sweet taste, right?
Yeah.
Describe the taste.
Very more tender, more juicy.
Tender.
But yeah, this one has a nice flavour to it.
Yeah,
But still good. I still wouldn't say no to that.
Yeah.
How much was it?
No, I don't know. See.
It's
what?
touristy price. Touristy price.
Yeah. 4 is 60 baht.
Just got back from
This
Nan,
is really good time.
which is like the north of Thailand. Very rural. So I wanted to go there because I wanted to hire a motorbike and just ride through the mountains. Took my
Oh,
drone.
yeah.
It's amazing. Really recommend it if you want something that's a bit different, something a bit like off the cuff. And great. The weather was nice too. Like in the evening, it was like 19. Yeah, 19 degrees.
Oh, that's really good.
In the evening, yeah.
Oh.
1 hour, like
They have an airport?
yeah, small one. 2,000 baht return.
Yeah. But my hometown is so expensive. It's like 3,000 baht.
Where is your home?
Riot.
Oh yeah. I don't even know where
Have
that
you
is.
been? Isan.
Ah,
Near
Isan.
Phan- I'm an Isan girl.
Isan.
So I speak Lao.
You can speak Lao.
good.
Isan.
And it's not like hard to get. I think it's like 120 hours.
Yeah.
Of,
Yeah.
But it's, yeah, you can do it in less than 120 hours.
Right. I come here like weekly, but like I
used
prefer.
to. I used to.
He used
I prefer not to, because like it's always so crowded, you know.
What
I
is
didn't know how to
this
speak
vlog?
Chinese now because there's always
This
Chinese
vlog
people.
is like no concept. This vlog is just a vlog. Hey, it's like pop. This is Jodd Fair, by the way. yet.
From the gym, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, like
I tried this.
my shoulder hurt.
Ooh,
Would you
yeah,
ever
that's
do that?
scary.
Like raw?
She tried to.
And my mouth was,
Amy tried it before.
my mouth was black.
You want to do it now?
No. You want to try it?
Oh, definitely
No.
not.
No. Swadika.
This looks really good.
Right? What should we try? We get 4. I like matcha.
I prefer Hokkaido milk.
เอา4 อันนะคะเอา
Get different flavors.
yes 4 เอาของมัทฉะค่ะ แล้วก็เอาเป็นฮอกไกโดค่ะ ชาไทยค่ะ
It's like
แล้วก็
looks like
อ๋อ แล้วก็
the Chinese.
เอาเป็นลาวาไข่ก็ได้ค่ะ I love sweet stuff
I'm gonna have too much sweet stuff.
yeah but you
It's
work
easy to just.
work out though
Yeah, a couple times a week.
yeah จ่ายแล้วนะคะ
I'll get the next one.
You're welcome. Oh, okay. More sweet stuff. You know, like ever since I came back to Thailand, I got acne
From
from the pollution, water, everything.
pollution's really bad there. Like,
Yeah.
even if I go on a bike, it's like you can feel it in your throat,
Yeah,
in your
yeah.
eyes.
So clean.
Got it.
And
No,
Chiang Mai?
Thailand.
Yeah, Chiang Mai is
yes.
number 1 right
Chiang Mai
now.
is very bad.
How?
Yeah.
People think it's not
It's
because it's
good in
hot.
season.
Yeah.
Like season drop.
Oh, you know, I want that cartoon drawing. Have you tried this? You've tried.
I know. Wait, don't tell me the name. It's called.
Yeah, nearly.
Kanampung.
ขนมเบื้อง
Yeah.
ขนมเบื้อง do you know?
Kanampung.
of course. Sam, you want a smoothie? Go on then.
So many people. Yeah, can. Wait, what you getting?
Banana yogurt. No, and then probably coconut and then mango.
Mango, mamua.
มะม่วง
Ma'am.
มะม่วง
Sawadee krap, Tupan. From Sam, Yiniti Darujak.
Songkao.
Majak, Angit krap. You Grungtep, Habi Leo krap. Are your audience Thai? Or
No English.
More milky, right? And this is
sweet?
more watery.
More sweet.
Sweet?
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Is that a real durian?
Or is it smoky coconut or young coconut? I'm not sure.
Smoky?
It actually tastes better.
It does.
It's better? What? Really?
Yeah, it's true. When you cut in the coconut and then you say the knife touches the
Learning a
water,
lot.
it'll turn the water sour. Yeah, so you have to be careful.
I did not know that.
Yeah, so you have to be careful when they're cutting it.
Sam, next time we will make video, can you be my tour guide?
Show you around back up.
Yes, that's so funny. I don't know anything. I only stay in
I
Siam.
learned that on a motorbike food tour in Chiang Mai. Nice temperature, nice weather, nice people. It's nice.
It's nice. Your mom came, right?
Yeah, like 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
So we went Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Phuket, and then Bangkok. Yeah, so it was like, took her all over.
Yeah.
The mountains, the beaches, the city.
Yes.
She loved it. She's like, okay, I'm coming back again soon. I'm like, okay, sure, come back. You're welcome to.
Yeah. เลี้ยงเหรอ
Ding, liang.
เลี้ยง
Liang.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Coconut, right? Huh? This is without milk or?
Yeah ไม่ใส่อันเดียวค่ะอันนี้ขอบคุณค่ะ gonna sit here
You tried this one?
You've never tried it, right?
No, I've tried it once.
Oh, you tried it once?
Hokkaido.
Hokkaido. But which one is Hokkaido?
Oh yeah.
That's a good question.
Salted egg. That one's nice, I think. Matcha and Hokkaido.
Yes. Oh my god, it's hot. It's hot?
Oh, they say that in 7-Eleven.
อุ่นไหมคะ
Oh my god.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. I don't know.
มีบนไวน์แทนอร่อยไหม
Sweet. Is it savory or sweet?
Damn.
อร่อยมาก
อร่อยมาก
Soon.
I'm a foodie. I love food.
What did you get? Banana.
Yogurt.
Tasty. I got the Thai tea. อร่อยเหรอ
I think maybe it's already tasty.
Pizza?
It's a pot.
Yeah, Hokkaido.
I think this is better.
That's better.
Salted egg.
Oh, they're trying that, the sweet thing that you tried. Hi guys, so I tried this before. I think it's squid, but I think it's okay. Like my mouth was, it was black. Oh no, I have to look there.
Black?
Yes, it was black. From the yeah, it's called squid shot. You feel how many times? What's that? And the mouth will turn black. I really need to film Jodd Fair because I'm not.
Man-made.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah.
And you can walk around it, you can go on the bridges, it's great sunset, there's trees.
So it's nice to bring a girl over there. It's like walk around.
Yeah, go on a date.
Like a picnic.
You can do that.
Always in his head, yeah.
Of course. I don't think it's worth for me like to get a bike because like I'm gonna be leaving in August already.
Philippines.
I envy you.
That's it, I think.
The best one is Bangkok, right?
The best one is Thailand.
Thailand, number one.
Of course, Thailand. But I love the Philippines. Philippines is great.
Yeah,
Even
I saw you
Vietnam.
Nice, right?
Yeah. Everyone loves karaoke.
Oh, they're so talented. Every Filipino
really?
sings so.
Can you sing one Filipina song? Oh, he's shy. He's actually not China. He always
He's a good
sings.
singer.
Yeah.
I like to sing, but off camera.
Okay. Turn the camera off. Okay.
Yeah, that's nice. I haven't seen them for like 5 years.
Saudi Cup. Somebody might have.
What would you like to try?
Rice noodles. Pad Thai guy. Yeah. Thai guy.
นานยังคะดูติ๊กต็อก
นานแล้วจ้ะเล่นอ่ะ
From the beginning.
From the beginning, like 3-4 years ago.
เล่นเพลงพม่าด้วยเพลงกะเหรี่ยง
Yeah, I used to do a lot of Burmese content.
Oh.
Wow, thank you so much.
Your fan.
FC.
FC.
That's what it says in Thai.
Yeah, yeah.
จะมีมันมีฝรั่งผิวสีดำใช่ไหมจะเล่น
Oh, Orson. Orson.
แล้วก็
The black guy.
ใช่
Yeah, Orson.
Your Thai is good.
And how do I see that?
See that.
That's black.
ตรงไหมน่ะกล้องตรง
Not gonna rain.
เขาลงเพลงเขาน่ารักดีพม่าน่ารัก
น่ารักเพลงพม่าน่ารัก
แล้วก็ใส่ชุดพม่าด้วยเนาะใส่ปีวอน
Their traditional clothes.
Did I? Oh, maybe once.
Once, yeah.
Maybe once. One time.
ใช่
Only
Yeah.
one time.
She knows.
Wow.
Wow.
Even I don't remember that.
In it.
In it.
In it.
In it.
Where you
That's
going?
my favorite thing to say.
Yeah, I say
In
all the
it.
time.
In it.
In it.
And you always say mate, right?
Mate.
Yeah, alright, mate.
Mate.
Come on, mate.
What, mate?
It's hot today, isn't it?
Word.
Some Thai people don't understand when I say in it. They're like,
Oh.
I'm like, isn't it?
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
Learning some Manchester terms.
There you go. Manchester slang.
Yes. Manchester slang. Oh,
Mancunians. Wait. When?
ไปพม่าวันไหน
My Najai. My box.
อ๋อยังไม่ได้ใส่
My box.
ไม่บอก
ไม่บอก
Important question. Are you a blue or a red?
โอ้จีนหล่อมาก
though. I don't watch football. How am I supposed to know? We know him. Kill him.
Oh, in Chinese.
Belum ke Lombok.
Oh, he speaks several languages. Okay, from
Yeah, for Indonesia.
Oh, it's Indonesian?
Okay, never mind. ไทยเหรอผัดไทยกินด้วยไหมโซลาว
Beetroot. This one. Oh, bean sprout.
Oh, yeah, bean sprout.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
It's a lot of ingredients.
Yeah,
There's still missing some.
That's not everything. Coming to film with Amy and Sam. Can you say Sam? I want to say hi to Sam.
We'll be best friends now.
I'll give it a 2. Are you? It's so bad. หรอจริงเหรอ
I'll give it a 3.5.
Okay. Try.
Being nice.
She's really
Yo, she might see this.
Can't be that bad.
She might see this vlog, man.
No,
She's gonna be
no.
heartbroken because of you.
She won't see the vlog.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, don't break it.
But it's made with love. But it's so bad.
That's the main thing.
Usually when it's made with love, it should be like a +6, but it's still a 2, so it's like a -4.
Why? It's making me look like I'm a bad person. Okay, that's nicer.
No, it's okay, don't worry.
It's under 5. It said under 5. Date that we're intruding. Ooh, what's this?
Oh wow.โทรศัพท์ชาติกว่านึงเธออยากจะไปเที่ยวทะเลไม่ใช่แต่เขาก็บอกทองหล่อนะ
อ๋อทองหล่อ
Okay, okay.
Here. I found here. Where are you going?
Oh wow.
Do you want more? Do you have a lot?
I have like 3 pairs. I don't really wear them that much.
I love them. You go help choose. You go help choose.
Shopping with Sam, guys.
Something with Sam.
Getting some advice
No.
Got some elephant ponchos, finest quality.
You ต้องซื้อถุงเท้าอีกถุงเท้าเหรอ Every time I see ถุงเท้า I always think of you. มีกิฟต์ไหมอยากได้กิฟต์ไม่มีกิฟต์เลย Yeah. ใช่ I want gift like hair clip. But why am I not seeing? You know, like whenever you need something, you don't really see it. No? That's so true. Like search for them. A date. A date. So this is Jodd Fair. I would say like every alley is different, but it's pretty much the same thing of everything, no? Yeah. So like this part is like souvenirs, clothing, and further back is food. So if you ever want to come, feel free to visit. I know it's probably not a lot of montage, but it's okay. จะได้วิดีโอบ้างวะวันนี้ I missed it. No, she had it like this though.
Pretty strong.
Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you. Hello from the future side. So I just finished editing the video and I'm so sorry about some of the sound. It was quite windy and I don't have a like separate mic, but I think the audio turned out pretty good. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog and I'll see you next time. Bye.